So here one figure is there, and one side refractive index is n1 and this is 4/3. Ray parallel અહીંયા focus થતા હોય તો what is the power? Find the power. Okay. થોડું મેં translation કર્યું છે, so English student also can understand what is the problem. So we want to power means power is equal to 1 upon f. So આપણે f શોધવાનું થાય. Okay. Answer is B. So what is the pi f? તો આપણી પાસે કેવી ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, અને કેવી કહેવાય કે રિફ્રેક્શન એટ કર્વ સરફેસ. This is one curved surface. તો આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલા આવી છે -n1 upon u plus n2 upon v is equal to n2 minus n1 upon r. So this is minus n1 is 1 and infinite because parallel rays are there. Actually supposed to be minus infinite plus n2 that is 4/3 and we don't know v. So we find the v is equal to n2 is 4/3 minus 1 upon radius of curvature is positive because it is other side. Curvature is opposite to the incident ray. Incident આ બાજુ છે તો આ બાજુ curvature છે, so 20. Okay, so this comes out to be 1/3, 4/3 minus 1 into 20. So it becomes 1 upon 60. Okay, so this is 4/3 and 60 is coming over here. So this side becomes V and parallel je focus થઈ જેની શું કહેવાય focal point કહેવાય. So we are getting F equal to this 23 ja and 4 3 8, so 80 centimeter. Okay, અને આપણે જોઈએ છે સોરી પાવર જ જોઈએ છે, we want power only. So this is actually focal length and therefore D is equal to P is equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon 0.8 because it is centimeter. Centimeter to meter માં કન્વર્ઝન કરીએ તો જ આપણો આન્સર કેમ આવે ડાયોપ્ટરમાં. So this is 10 upon 8. 10 upon 8, so it comes out to be 1.25 diopter. બરાબર છે? So this is the problem for refraction at curved surface. Infinite લઈ લેવાનું થાય, parallel rays છે એટલા માટે.